Sir Creek is a 96-kilometer tidal estuary in the Run of Kutch between Gujarat in India and Sindh in Pakistan, and it is strategically important because it defines the maritime boundary and the EEZ, has rich fishing grounds and possible hydrocarbon deposits, is prone to smuggling, infiltration and piracy, and plays a key role in naval control of the northern Arabian Sea. Scarborough Shoal is a triangular oceanic coral atoll built on a seamount in the eastern South China Sea, the largest atoll in the region, known for its rich deep-water fishing areas, and is disputed between China and the Philippines. Syria is a Western Asian country in the eastern Mediterranean with its capital at Damascus, bordered by Turkey, Iraq, Jordan, Israel and Lebanon, with Cyprus lying to its west across the Mediterranean, having the Euphrates and Tigris rivers, and involving the disputed Golan Heights with Israel. Morocco is in the Maghreb region of North Africa with its capital at Rabat, bordered by Algeria and by Western Sahara to the south, facing the Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea, having a Mediterranean climate, and being a member of the African Union, the Arab League, the OIC and the Non-Aligned Movement. Madagascar is an island country in the Indian Ocean off southeastern Africa with its capital at Antananarivo, having maritime borders with Reunion, Mauritius, Comoros, Mayotte and Mozambique, a subtropical to tropical maritime climate, membership in the African Union, and the distinction of being the world's 46th largest country, the second largest island country and the fourth largest island. Armenia is a landlocked country in West Asia with its capital at Yerevan, bordered by Turkey to the west, Georgia to the north, Azerbaijan to the east, and Iran along with the Azerbaijani exclave of Nakhchivan to the south. Mongolia is a landlocked East Asian country with its capital at Ulaanbaatar, bordered by China and Russia, known for the Mongolian Manchurian grasslands and the Gobi Desert, being the world's most sparsely populated sovereign state, and having a culture rooted in Tibetan Buddhism. Egypt is a transcontinental nation linking Northeast Africa and Southwest Asia via the Sinai Peninsula, with its capital at Cairo, bordered by the Gaza Strip of Palestine, Israel, Sudan and Libya, surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea with the Gulf of Aqaba separating it from Jordan and Saudi Arabia, known for the Nile Delta and the Aswan Dam, having both Mediterranean and desert climates, and serving as a major non-NATO ally of the United States, host of the Arab League headquarters, and a founding member of the Non-Aligned Movement and the United Nations. Venezuela is a South American country with its capital at Caracas, bordered by Guyana, Brazil and Colombia, facing the Caribbean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean, containing the Orinoco River and the Llanos grasslands, and home to Angel Falls, the world's highest waterfall. The Caribbean Sea is a large tropical sea of the western Atlantic bounded by the Greater and Lesser Antilles in the north and east, Central America in the west and northern South America in the south, containing major islands such as Cuba, Jamaica, Hispaniola, Puerto Rico and Trinidad and Tobago, and having the Cayman Trench as its deepest point. Tuvalu is an island country in the west central Pacific between Hawaii and Australia within Polynesia, bordered by Kiribati to the north and Fiji to the south, the world's fourth smallest country, with its capital at Funafuti, and consisting of 9 coral reef and volcanic islands and atolls. East Timor, or Timor-Leste, is a Southeast Asian country with its capital at Dili, bordered by Indonesia to the west and the Timor Sea to the south across from Australia, and is a member of ASEAN, from 2025, the UN and the CPLP. Iran is a West Asian country with its capital at Tehran, bordered by Iraq, Turkey, Azerbaijan, Armenia, Turkmenistan, Afghanistan and Pakistan, sharing coastlines with the Caspian Sea, the Gulf of Oman and the Persian Gulf, and closely cooperating with India on the Chabahar port and the international north-south transport corridor.